The Supreme Court has cleared the way for Trump to fire FTC Commissioner Rebecca Slaughter as it re-examines a 90-year-old precedent limiting presidential power. At the heart of this case is the 1935 Humphreys executor ruling, which protects leaders of independent agencies from dismissal without cause. Critics, including Justice Kagan, warn this could erode agency independence and upset the balance of powers. A final ruling is expected next summer, with major implications for how presidents oversee federal agencies. Russian President Vladimir Putin has offered a one-year extension to the New START treaty, a deal limiting US and Russian nuclear weapons. The treaty, signed in 2010, aims to prevent an arms race, but is set to expire in 2026. Putin said this step could help avoid destabilizing global security, adding it depends on the US matching the move. Experts warn letting the deal lapse could increase nuclear risks. With tensions high over the war in Ukraine, this proposal marks a rare attempt to stabilize ties between the world's largest nuclear powers. NASA has named 10 new astronaut candidates, a class with more women than men for the first time. Selected from over 8,000 applicants, they include pilots, engineers, and scientists. Among them is Anna Menon, who has already flown in space with SpaceX. These astronauts will train for 2 years, preparing for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond under NASA's Artemis program. Acting Administrator Sean Duffy expressed confidence in NASA's leadership, saying the US will win the race back to the Moon and push further into space exploration. NVIDIA is investing up to $100 billion in OpenAI to develop state-of-the-art AI data centers powered by NVIDIA's hardware. The plan includes creating 10 gigawatts of computing capacity, equivalent to powering millions of US homes. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang called it a leap forward for AI technology. However, experts warn the deal could raise antitrust concerns by consolidating NVIDIA's dominance in chips and OpenAI's AI lead. Regulators may scrutinize whether this partnership limits competition in the booming AI sector. A new app, Vanna, lets people take control of their data and even profit from it. Created by a startup spun out of MIT, Vanna acts like a digital wallet for data, collecting info like Spotify history or Instagram captions. Users can pool their data, decide who can use it, and earn small payouts if it's used in AI training. Privacy is protected through special processes that hide personal details. CEO Anna Kazlauskas sees this as a way for users to have equity in AI. While payouts remain modest and trust in startups may be a hurdle, it's a bold step toward user-first AI. Thank you for tuning in.